Who is Chen Xi and why is everyone suddenly talking about him? From vertical mini dramas to viral fame, in just a short time, he has built a strong fan base thanks to his emotional acting and on screen presence. So let's dive deep into the Gen Z lifestyle in 2026. The fame, the grind, the money, and the real story behind the screen. So let's start the video. Gen Z's lifestyle 2026. His real name is Chen Xi. His stage name is Si Chen. His fandom name is Xiao Huangjia, meaning Little Yellow Duck. His nickname is Cici Xiao Chen. Professionally, he is an actor and model. Personal life, he was born on 10th of June 1999. Now he is 26 years old. Chen Xi birthplace is Liaoning Province, China. Hometown, Liaoning, China. Nationality, Chinese. Religion, not publicly disclosed. His zodiac sign is Gemini. His Chinese zodiac is Horse. Education. Before entering the entertainment industry, Chen Xi studied design at university. During his third year, he even worked as a designer in Shenzhen. However, realizing his passion lay elsewhere, he left design and shifted towards acting, modeling, and short form dramas. Physical stats. One of the biggest reasons for his popularity is his striking look. Height. Chen Xi stands at an impressive 1.88 meters tall. His weight is around 70 kilograms. He has black hairs and dark brown eyes. Body type: slim, youthful, pretty boy, or Pishwanan. His tall build and sharp features make him a perfect fit for romantic and dramatic roles. Agency. He works as an independent actor, considered one of the handsome rising faces of China's mini drama industry. Career. Chen Xi officially started his acting career in late 2023. His debut came through the vertical mini drama Five Traders from Heaven, Billionaire Daddy Surrender Quickly. This project introduced him to digital audience and opened doors in the mini drama industry. Popular mini dramas. Some of Gen Z's most talked about projects include The Fairy Young Marshal, spring night fairy kisses, fall in love with him, limited engagement, long coveted. His performances are often praised for being emotional, intense, and visually captivations. Relationship, marital stats. He is unmarried. As of 2026, Chensi has not publicly confirmed any relationship. He is believed to be possibly single and currently focused on building his acting career. Net worth. Chensi's exact salary has not been officially disclosed. However, based on mini drama projects, brand collaborations, and modeling work, his estimated net worth as of 2026 is ranging between $100,000 to $500,000. As his popularity grows, his number is expected to rise. Social media presence. His Instagram followers are over 645. Chensi's popularity mainly comes from short video platforms and mini drama apps. Fans love his on screen chemistry, fashion style, and emotional performances. He is especially popular among young digital audience, often appears in vertical short dramas, considered one of the most promising mini drama actors of 2026. Chensi's journey proves that talent and dedication can create success, even in a short time. From a design student to a rising mini drama star, his story is just getting started. If you vibe with this video, hit like, share, and subscribe my channel. It's a humble request.